This video will demonstrate how to use the Agile. Click on the Agile button on the navigation bar to gain insights into projects and their respective releases. Each project contains several releases, and each release is divided into sprints. Each sprint is comprised of various components. To create a new project, click on the New button located in the header. Then, select Project from the drop-down menu. Upon selection, a form will appear where you can input essential project details, such as its name and description within the main tab. In the Releases tab, you'll find a comprehensive list of all releases associated with the project. To add a new release, you can either create one directly within this tab or utilize the New button in the header. Fill in the release details, including its name, start and end dates, and description. Then click the Save button. The newly created release will be listed under the existing releases. Additionally, users have the flexibility to open the release link in a new tab or window or remove the release altogether. Similarly, the Sprint tab provides an overview of all sprints within the project. To create a new sprint, you can do so within the tab or by utilizing the New button in the header. Fill in the sprint details, including its name and start and end dates. Then click the Save button. The newly created sprint will be listed under the existing sprints. Users can also choose to open the sprint link in a new tab or window or to remove the sprint as needed. The Components tab provides an overview of all components within the project. To create a new component, you can either do so within the tab using the New button or by utilizing the New button in the header. Fill in the component details, including its name and description. Click the Save button. Users can also choose to open the component link in a new tab or window or to remove the component from the project as needed. The Configure tab offers essential configuration settings for the project, accessible only to users that are granted admin permissions. Within the Work Item Configuration section, an admin can define and customize various types of work items, such as epics, stories, tasks, and defects, among others, to suit the specific needs of the project. Similarly, the Priority section allows an admin to establish different levels of priority that can be assigned to work items. The Attachments tab contains the list of attached files that are related to the project. The attachments can be downloaded or deleted. The Admins tab includes the list of admins allotted for the project. Users can open the admin details in a new tab or window, or they can remove the admin from the project. After entering all the required details, save the form. To navigate to the Projects section, click on the Agile button on the navigation bar and then select Projects. The Projects section provides the list of projects on the left side panel. Clicking on each project displays the details on the right side. Clicking on the star next to the project name allows the user to mark the project as a favorite. The Modify button allows users to modify the project data, ensuring that project details remain accurate and up to date. Users can easily copy the project link using the Copy Link button. The Refresh button allows users to refresh the project details. For further management options, the More button provides access to functions such as printing details or deleting them as needed. Click on the Agile button on the navigation bar and select Releases. The Releases tab provides the list of releases on the left side panel. Clicking on each release shows the details on the right side. The Details section provides essential release information. The Main tab displays the release name, the type of release, the start and end date of the release, and the description. The Projects tab shows the projects the release is related to. Clicking the star next to the release name allows the user to mark the release as a favorite. The toolbar on the top allows the user to modify the release data, copy the link to the release, and refresh the release details. The More button allows the user to print or delete the details. This concludes the overview of the Agile